like when you're looking out there, who is a video company that one could help in some capacity? Rumble is long form.
Yeah.
TikTok's short form. So that's like, you know, high res down to low res. That and it's only the United States. It's not global. So how many other video companies out there that have that capability to understand how to run video, both on video at all? There really isn't any that I can think of off the top of my head. So someone has to build the algorithm for video and understand video in order to step in with TikTok. And like, that's what company does that. Obviously YouTube does it. Obviously Meta does it. But like, really, all the companies out there that do that are going to have antitrust concerns. So like,
even Twitch, right?
Which is part of Amazon, and they're more just live streaming. They're not like in that kind of space yet.
Pre-recorded short form content.
Algo based stuff. One of the things we're working on Rumble behind the scenes, because it's been a big problem, is our search and our recommendation algorithm. And we've hired data scientists to be working on this for quite some time now. So like, our recommendation algorithms and our data scientists are obviously working on this. So like, what other company out there is actually working on algorithms for video? I think it's like, when you look at it, it's just, Rumble's obviously, they got the cloud. We are obviously working on algorithms. I think like I think Kevin said it best. So first, we don't know what that would look like and how the divestment from ByteDance would look like, and what that would entail and all the details of it. And second, like, you know, we want to be part of a consortium, so not just us, obviously, but you know, this is a very expensive transaction. And we want to be the tech partner in that.